Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Basics. In today's video, we will be learning how to fix screen time bug on iOS 18. If you're experiencing a screen time bug on iOS 18, then here are some effective methods to resolve the issue. Method 1. Restarting your iPhone. Go ahead and drag from the top right menu of your screen, and this will open up the control panel section. And this will open up the system menu. Press and hold the power button at the top right and slide the power off switch at the top. After you switch off your device, switch it on back again. After restarting, you can be able to fix temporary glitches for your iOS device. Method 2. Re-enable screen time. From your home screen of iOS, tap Open the Settings app. From the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Screen Time. Inside the Screen Time section, scroll all the way down and tap on Turn off apps and website activity. Confirm by tapping on Turn off app and website again, and you will then be able to turn off screen time. Get back to the Screen Time menu and turn it on again, and after you re-enable screen time, you might be able to fix your issue. Method 3. Reset all settings. Get back to the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to General and tap on it. Inside the General menu, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on the Reset button at the bottom again on the next page, and right after you do that, this will reset your settings without deleting your data. Also ensure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS 18. And once you make sure all of these steps are followed, you will be able to fix your screen time bug on iOS 18. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.